Is it possible to have too many Molle panels in your vehicle? Let's find out. So these are the items that are in the box. This is the little Molle panel for the back of the headrest. Got two of those, and then this is for the visors. I'd already kind of threaded through. It comes with 4 of these little strips for the visors, and then for the smaller ones, it just comes with 2 of these rolls. 2 like Velcro rolls. So nothing too crazy. It's, how does it feel? Well, it feels sturdy. It feels durable. It's very lightweight, so it won't, it's not too heavy. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. And now we're just put it in. Let's install it. Alright, so now we're going to be installing the headrest Molle panel as well as the sun visor Molle panel. And then I'll show you the one that I had gotten for the back of my seats. I don't think I covered that one yet. It's already got a couple things on it, but I'll show you what those look like as well. Let's get started. So, looking into the back seats, I have this here clip style with just some various pouches that I haven't filled yet. I don't want to just throw a bunch of junk in there, but I did put this one. It's a practical one that I use for my water flask that fits perfectly. That I just keep that back there. I have a flashlight, my IFAK or individual first aid kit there, and this is the panel that I have, the Molle setup that I have for the other one there that I took off momentarily. So what we're going to be installing is the ones for the back of the headrest as well as for the sun visors there. So let's get this started. I don't want to cause too much confusion with the 2 differences, so I just put the one for the back seat here and the ones for the front seat there. So the headrest, it has this one here that will basically sit like that, and they come with a full roll of Velcro for each one. So what we're going to do is actually unravel the Velcro and then just simply cut it into 2 pieces for each side. So when you unravel it, there is a lot of Velcro. So we're going to just cut it in half, use what we need, and then trim off the rest. So I've got the 2 pieces. Now I'm just going to thread it through the bottom, underneath, and back out through the top. Alright, so got the one headrest done. The Velcro straps adjusted. There will be some to trim off, some extra. So let me just show you what I have, how I set up this back seat, even to include this nylon. It's a paracord, but it's also a grip. So I will put everything back and turn this seat into what it will now look like. And that's what it looks like from the back view there. I can find all kinds of things to add, but I don't want to. It's practical for when I might need it, if I need it, but it's not like I'm going to just put anything and everything on these things. And this is my rear driver's seat setup for now. What do you think? Now we'll move on to the passenger side. And there is the passenger side. What do you think so far? The question I opened up with was, is it possible to have too many Molle panels? just like my rear setup back there. Got the ones on the windows with the cross shelf. What do you think? Well, now we'll just move on to the front, put them on those visors, and then we're done. Now moving on to these. How these work, you just thread them through like this, and then keep it loose, and you unhook the visor. It will literally just slide right inside like so. So we got the visor unhooked there, and now we're just going to slide the panel right over it, making sure the straps don't interfere with the mirror there. Right, now that we got these on, it's still loose, so it really comes down to just tightening up the straps, getting them out of the way, making it firm, and then we're done. Adjustments made. Still got room for the mirror, nice and firm. And now you could add whatever attachments you want. I guess for me, I'll start with my garage door opener. You could put your walkie-talkies, flashlights, pens, whatever. It's just another way to store stuff, as if we don't have enough stuff to store already. All right, everyone, there it is. What do you guys think so far? Too much? Think there's some practical use to having these Molle panel setups? Or will it just cause people to store extra crap that they really don't need? You know, I just want to thank you guys for taking time out of your schedule to watch this short video, this little install. And you know, I just want to say that a lot of times the videos that I post, I mean, it's for the viewers, right? It's for those of you that are watching. Maybe you have a 4Runner, or my older videos if you had a Dodge Charger or even a Hellcat or whatever. All the things that I've done, it's more of a documentary. It's more of a kind of like one of those books that you take records on that I can always go back to, like a diary in a way. But it's a journey, you know, it's to document all the little things that I've done along the way, so I can go back from time to time, which I do. And I'll be like, wow, yeah, I remember that. Or if I have friends that I do that have Chargers or even Challengers and 4Runners that want ideas, you know, they'll tune in, or I'll have a video that I could send them a link to, you know, and that's the whole point. Is especially like with my son, I'm a very private person. I don't like to put myself out there, especially with my family. But you know, looking back on the older videos and seeing his how he's aged, he's gotten older from when he was younger, you know, those types of things, it just goes along with the journey. And I'm so glad that I've done those things. In fact, sometimes I wish I did more. But I do want to thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.